Hello, my name is Pete Gill. I am a consultant with Pragmatic Works, and I'm going to talk briefly about limitations with Direct Query and Power BI. Most recently, I had some experience with dealing with some limitations in Power BI on a couple different projects, and I wanted to just bring up a few different points real quick. First, common table expressions. Learned that those are generally not supported while you're working in Direct Query with Power BI. I learned that a little simple workaround could be just rewriting your query to include maybe a subqueries. Two, DAX. Mostly, DAX is available, but there are certain time intelligence DAX that you cannot do as far as year over year, month over month, same period last year, etc. Which is a bummer, but in import mode, you could do all that, right? Well, unfortunately, that is not supported at the current time. And also, too, a big thing that you can do in import mode that you can't do in direct query mode is transformations, like basic transformation. For instance, if you duplicate a column from your data set and you change it to something else, or you want to split your data by delimiters, or you want to just replace values, that unfortunately cannot be done via direct query mode. Unfortunately, you could have to take care of all of that on the SQL side. So I just wanted to talk briefly about these 3 points that I've come across recently, and I think it's a good talking point for further discussion. So thanks again. Bye.